Hello and good day everyone. I am Ayashuli Angentica. For today, we will explore and discuss the parts of the brain. The parts of the brain that I choose is brainstem. But first, let's define the function of the brainstem. Your brainstem connects your brain to your spinal cord. It is located close to the base of your brain. This is the location of the brainstem. Here. Oh my god. Yes. Here are the location of the brainstem. It connects in our spinal cord. It helps control essential bodily like breathing and heart rate that you don't have to think about. Additionally, your brainstem aids with reflexes, balance, and coordination. It consists of three interconnected sections that make up your central nervous system to assist your mood, adapt to your surroundings, and function. Each component performs a unique role. The first part is the midbrain. Here are the location of our midbrain. Siya ang pinaka-nagkokonekta sa ating utak patungo sa ating spinal cord. Midbrain is the primarily responsible for integrating sensory and motor information and coordinating reflexive action like visual and auditory reflexes, motor control, eye movement, arousal and consciousness, and pain modulation. The second part is pons. Siya ang pinakagitna ng dalawang parte ng ating brainstem. Pons serve as bridge for communication between different brain regions. It regulates breathing, control facial movement and sensation, support sleep cycle, and help maintain balance and posture. And the last part of our brainstem is the medulla oblongata. Here are the location of our medulla. Siya yung pinakadulo na magkokonekta sa ating spinal cord. The medulla oblongata control vital autonomic function like heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. It also manages reflexes such as swallowing, coughing, and sneezing. The brainstem oversees fundamental function that ensure survival, often working unconsciously to manage automatic processes like breathing, heart rate, and balance. Let me give you an example using a scenario based on our real-life situation. If you touch something hot, your sensory information is relayed through the brainstem to the brain, which processes the pain. Simultaneously, a motor response is sent to your muscle to pull your hand away. And one scenario of when you stand up quickly. The brainstem helps you to maintain your balance and prevent dizziness by adjusting muscle tone and coordinating your posture. Any issue with our brainstem is a critical condition because it can kill us the basic function of our body that's necessary in our life. And that's the end of my presentation. Hope you enjoy and thank you everyone.